I got all the tips because I'm you. All the women are you. Like we are all the same. We're tired, we're hungry, and we just want to eat food, but we don't want to cook and
Yeah.
clean, right? So you kind of touched on it there is like you want to know ahead of time what you're going to be eating. You want to prep your food as much as possible. Like you want to eat whole, clean foods and make as many ready to go as possible. So when 5 o'clock rolls around, you literally open your fridge, put your food on the plate, and heat it up.